In this video, we will learn about the configuration of VLAN access port. We have taken a switch connected to two of the PCs, that is PC1 and PC0, which is in subnet 10.10.10.0 subnet. And we have another PC, which is PC2, which is totally in a different subnet, which is 10.10.20.0. So let us see the current configuration for our fast Ethernet 0/1, because until now we have not done any configuration on our switch. So when I go to switch, just type show interface fast Ethernet 0/1 switch port. You will be able to see that this particular fast Ethernet is configured as an access port. Okay, and what is the VLAN in which our fast Ethernet 0/1 is configured? It is configured on a default VLAN 1. Now to check the port numbers of the switch and the VLAN, we have another command which is show VLAN brief. You can see that all these ports are in default VLAN 1, which is the default VLAN. Okay, so we have not configured our VLANs yet. Now PC1 is in the same subnet as PC0, and if you're pinging from PC1 to PC0, you should be able to ping. But if you will ping from PC1 to PC2, you may not be able to ping. The reason is because they are in different subnet and the default router will be required in order to ping to a different subnet. So let's check the connectivity between the PC1 and PC0, which is in the same subnet. So I go back to PC1, go to command prompt. I am pinging from PC1 to PC0, which is in the same subnet. So ping 10.10.10.1. So it's pinging and we have 0% loss. That means we are able to ping between the same subnet. Let's just give another try to ping for PC2, which is in a different subnet. And you can see that there is drop in the packet. So ping 10.10.20. So that's my PC2 20.10. Okay, that's my PC2. Just hit enter. Yes, so the packets are dropping, which means there is no connectivity between two different subnet. And switch is a layer 2 device. It does not do any IP subnetting. So now let's give the VLAN names, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. On our switch. So I will go to switch. And let's create VLAN 10 and name it as IT team. So go to global configuration and create VLAN. Here, let's create VLAN 10. So it takes me to VLAN 10. And let's give name to our VLAN 10. So name, let's keep it as IT team, and this is my VLAN 10. It should be continuous, no space. Exit out. Create another VLAN, that is VLAN 20. I gave the name VLAN 20, and we need to name that VLAN, and let's name the VLAN as HR team. Okay. Just exit out of this now. So now our main intention is we have to add this port fast Ethernet 01 and fast Ethernet 02 on both of our PCs to our switch and configure them in our VLAN 10. So let's do that. So I go to my interface, which is interface fast Ethernet 0/0. I even want to add my another internet, my other fast Ethernet 0/2. So I go to 0/2. Okay, it's giving this command. So let's try to fix it. So I give interface range fast Ethernet 0/0, comma fast Ethernet 0/2. So it takes the range of the IP address. So here we have 0/1, not 0/0. So let's give 0/0. Okay, so this is 0/1. So yeah, okay, 0/1, and this is 0/2. So give it as fast Ethernet 0/2, and we are going to configure them in switch port mode access. Okay, and configure that in our VLAN switch port access VLAN 10, because we are configuring that in IT team. Okay, so we have successfully configured both our fast Ethernet 0/1 and 0/2 in VLAN 10. Similarly, we need to configure the fast Ethernet 0/3 in VLAN 20, and let's do that. So just exit out. So here we have already created our VLAN earlier. So just go to your interface. We have only one interface here, fast Ethernet 0/3. So just take 0/3 and add that in your switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 20, because we need to add that fast Ethernet 0/3 in our VLAN 20. Okay, so just give that name and exit out of this global configuration mode, and then let's verify. So just go to show VLAN brief, press enter, and here you can see that we have successfully configured our IT team in VLAN 10 for our fast Ethernet 0/1 and 0/2. And also we have our HR team configured in our VLAN 20 for our port number fast Ethernet 0/3. And all these other ports that you are seeing here, I have not touched them, and hence they are in VLAN 1, which is the default VLAN. I hope that this video has been helpful. See you in the next video.